Welcome to the first episode of our new series, Art Tier Design Techniques. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of sketchnoting, a technique that combines drawings and text to synthesize ideas visually and creatively. Are you ready to embark on this adventure? Sketchnoting is a fun and effective way to organize information using images and words. It helps us capture and synthesize ideas visually, making them more memorable and easier to understand. Here are the fundamentals of sketchnoting that we will explore today: layout, dividers and connectors, frames and shapes, letters and bullets, people and icons. Let's start with the layout, which is the overall structure of our page. We can divide the page into sections to organize information in a clear and cohesive manner. Next, dividers and connectors help us link different parts of our sketchnote, creating a visual story. Frames and shapes allow us to highlight important information and create an interesting visual structure. Letters and bullets enable us to add text to our images, making the information more readable and organized. Finally, people and icons can be used to represent concepts or ideas in a simple and recognizable way. Now, let's put what we've learned into practice. Let's take healthy eating as an example. First, let's think about the best layout for our project. We could represent a dinner plate and divide it into sections for different food categories. All right, let's draw the plate and use dividers to separate the sections. Then, we can write down what belongs in each section and use frames to make them stand out. How about adding icons for each category to make it even clearer at first glance? Now, we need to add a title. Let's make it a bit more fun. We could include a person with a big smile on the healthy side and a person looking a bit unhappy on the less healthy side. Lastly, let's include a section for foods to avoid. Shall we use bullets? Yes. Let's put them here. We can also add a couple more healthy habits on the other side, and we're done. We can add some shading to the plate and frames to make them pop. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to do it. The important thing is to express ideas in a personal and creative way. And now, the final challenge for you. Choose a topic that you're passionate about, such as a favorite subject, a beloved recipe, your week, or your hobby. Use sketchnoting to create a sketchnote that visually synthesizes and tells the story of that topic. Be creative and have fun. We have started to explore the fundamentals of sketchnoting, learning how to use layout, dividers, frames, letters, people, and icons to create engaging sketchnote. Now, it's your turn to put these techniques into practice and create your own original sketchnotes. Don't forget to share them with us. We are excited to see your creativity. Thank you for joining us for this first lesson of Art Night design techniques dedicated to sketchnoting. We hope you're excited to continue exploring the wonders of art and design. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Junior Design, so you won't miss the upcoming lessons. See you soon.